Hey guys, it's Melissa again. I want you to check out this next video. We talk about the reasons to go through the technology commercialization process. UTEP, do you have a crazy idea that could be an invention? How do you even know what to do with the patent process? Check out this video where we go through all the details of the patent prosecution process. Here are some of our UTEP inventors who are going to be asking the questions about our processes to help explain what we do in our office.
My name is Raymond Rumpf. I'm in the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering. I'm also the director of the EM Lab. What is the patent process? I think before you even enter into the patent process, you need to answer two questions. Is what you have patentable? And then second, should it be patented? Is it worth a lot of money?
Well, Dr. Rumpf, that's an excellent question. What is the patent process? Patent process involves protecting your idea as an actual piece of property with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. If you have an invention that's worth protecting and that you want to be developed as a product and make money off of, you're going to need to file a patent on it. So what happens next after you disclose your invention to our office? We've done a fabulous triage for you. We decide to move forward in the patent process. Then what? So the first step in the process is called a provisional patent application. So provisional step 1, this is good for 1 year. The patent office doesn't look at it, does not read it, doesn't examine it, they don't bless you with it. We typically just try to get everything in there. It's called a kitchen sink type of patent application. We want it all in there so we can pick and choose what to cover in the non-provisional patent application. Step 2, we do the non-provisional patent application within that 1 year period. The non-provisional, if it issues, it's good 20 years from your filing date. The patent office does read this patent application, and we put so much time and effort and work, and about 90% of the time it's rejected. But don't worry, that's not the end of the process. We start what's called prosecution, and that usually happens about 2 to 3 years after the non-provisional gets filed. So what in the world is prosecution? So we filed patent application on your self-heating pizza box. The patent office thinks there's already something like that. They reject it. And then what happens? We give it to our patent lawyers. The patent lawyers draft responses. Very clever in how they draft the responses. They file claim amendments, which means changing the actual claim language. Legal arguments, and we try to convince the patent examiner that yes, your self-heating pizza box is novel, it's not obvious, it should be granted a patent. That could go back and forth for a number of years. Fortunately, prosecution is a very long, very expensive process, but don't worry, our office guides you through every step of the way. There's nothing to fear. After the prosecution happens, we ultimately want a patent to issue. I mean, that's the goal of this whole process. That's why we're doing it. We try licensing your patent. We market your patent this whole time. We try to find licensees, people to execute a license on it while we're in the patent prosecution process. But it's always great when we have a patent issue because it's almost the stamp of approval that the patent office believes there is something patentable in there. That's all I have. Well, this is it for today. I hope you liked our video. We'll see you back here next time. Check out our next video. We'll have an overview of the patent process and how to get started.